With so much to see and do in New York, exploring the city can be overwhelming. Today we're off on a small group tour to see some of the best with our very own tour guide to lead the way.
For a 6-hour walking tour, I know it sounds like a lot, but you really do take in a lot of the highlights, the things you really think about when you think about New York City.
What better place to start a New York tour than the center of it all, Times Square.
This building behind me, Saks Fifth Avenue, is really synonymous with high-end, I'm spending way more than I should shopping.
Our guide is so full of knowledge and stories. I'm learning so much about New York City and its history.
Below where we are now, there's a secret floor. Nobody was supposed to know about it. In fact, during World War II.
We're now on the subway headed to our next stop. It's actually really nice air conditioning here. It feels good. We've just arrived at Wall Street, which is the epicenter of the financial district in New York City. This is a great tour for first-timers to New York who want to orient themselves to the city. We're now on the Staten Island Ferry, and from here you can see the bottom of Manhattan. There she is, the Statue of Liberty.
We really enjoyed the tour. You really get a bang for your buck. We got to see a lot of things that we wanted to see and a lot of things that we didn't even think about seeing.
I like the bull statue touching the horns for good luck. What did you like, Mom?
I like that also.
Okay.
This is where Tower 1 used to be. It's now the reflection pool. And surrounding it, you have all these names of all the people that passed away. The names on here aren't alphabetical or by victim order. They're actually put on here next to someone that they knew. We're now going to make our way over to the One World Observatory. Here we go. As we're going up, we're experiencing New York over the centuries. So this is one of the fastest elevators in the world. It takes 47 seconds to go from the ground floor to the 102nd floor.
Welcome to One World Observatory.
On a clear day, you can see up to 50 miles and almost see the curvature of the Earth. We've covered so much ground today, from Grand Central to the New York Stock Exchange to the Statue of Liberty and ending here at the One World Observatory. I feel like I've really gotten to know New York City and I'm excited to keep exploring.